If you're looking for professional DEWA load calculations and technical drawings for your fit-out project or new villa, getting the electrical design right is the most critical step for a seamless approval process. As an experienced freelancer specializing in Dubai's utility standards, I provide comprehensive electrical solutions tailored to meet the strict requirements of the Dubai Electricity and Water Authority. Whether you are renovating a commercial office, opening a retail shop, or constructing a luxury villa, I ensure your electrical submittals are accurate, compliant, and ready for immediate approval. My services include precise load distribution schedules for total connected load and max demand, detailed single-line diagrams for MDB and SMDB layouts, and expert AutoCAD drafting for lighting and PowerPoints. Navigating DEWA regulations requires technical expertise to avoid costly revisions and delays. By choosing a specialist, you get high-quality engineering precision at competitive freelance rates that help you streamline the self-decor or fit-out permit process for Dubai Municipality, track keys, and Dubai Civil Defense. I provide all the foundational electrical documentation required for a no-objection certificate to ensure your project stays on schedule. My work adheres strictly to the latest DEWA circulars and authority standards to guarantee quick permit issuance. Contact me today for a professional consultation and fast-track your project approvals in Dubai. Iftikhar Ahmed, 05546 18585.